Hello fellow viewers, welcome back to Teardown. Today we're going to see if Godzilla can survive the meteor wand. Let's summon him up. Let's go. Now this tag is different. It's a meteor. Where is he? Oh, there he is. Alright. Don't mind. Let's land him. Okay, oh god. Alright, here we go. Wait, come on Godzilla. Okay, missed. Aim for his legs. Always aim for his legs. Even though his legs. Oh god. Oh god. Look at him attacking. Aim for his balls. Come on. Come on. Oh, nice. Come on. He's still walking. I literally just ripped his body apart. Come on. Aim for his arms. Hehe. Hehe. Ah, okay. Okay, his arms are still, he's still walking. Like his arms, I think part of his body. Whoa. Whoa. Look at him. Oh, his arms, wait, what? Okay. Oh god. Okay guys, so there we go. I think he survived. I think he still stood his ground completely, but yeah, Godzilla can't survive a meteor. A meteor. Yeah, no, he can't. So well guys, I hope you enjoyed. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.